Hi everybody, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. Today is not going to be a tutorial, it's just a very simple video to wish you all the best for this 2019 year. I, from the bottom of my heart, really want all your wishes to come true, so be crazy about it and really try to visualize what you want in life, whether it's for you, your family, your loved ones. And I am sure that you deserve it and it will come true. Put your energy in whatever you want. Maybe it's just more time for yourself, time for crafting. Just your wishes come true, something that you really, really want. And I also wanted to thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, watching my videos, commenting, liking. This channel wouldn't be here if you were not there to watch them and participate and be active on my channel. So thank you very much. This video is dedicated for you as well. So once again, have a happy, wonderful year filled with good surprises, and see you soon for other videos. Bye bye and take care.